How to use capital.com trading platform. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use capital.com trading platform. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on capital.com, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is capital.com, it's a global online trading platform that offers a wide range of financial instruments, including CFDs and stocks, indices, commodities, and currencies. And the company has offices across Europe, Australia, and the Bahamas and serves clients in over 183 countries. Capital.com aims to provide retail traders to seamless access to global financial markets, and the platform features a user-friendly interface, advanced charting tools, and real-time market data to help traders make informed decisions. And also the platform provides a demo account that allows users to practice trading without risking real money. And now to start using this platform, you could also click the login button or the sign up button on the top right corner, in which upon clicking on it, it will show you on this pop-up window that you can sign up by simply entering here your email address, password, or you could also sign up using your Google, Facebook, or even Apple ID. And after signing in, you will be directed on this page right here. So this is basically the dashboard looks like of capital.com, and you will see here on the left side panel some of the options including trade, discover, charts, portfolio, reports, and many more. While on the top panel, you will be able to see your option that you could also turn into light mode or dark mode. By simply clicking on it, it will show in here that the mode has been changed. And aside from that, you will be able to see here the available balances, your equity, funds, profit and loss, and even the margin balances. And by clicking this top-down menu on the top right corner, you will be able here to top up $10,000, your accounts, trading options, and navigate the option of my request, switch to live, and even the logout option. Now let's start under this trade right here. To start trading on this platform capital.com, you'll be able to see here on the left side panel some of the asset or instrument that you can choose. We have here most popular, best metals, soft commodities, and even the list of some of the most traded instrument or asset from each country. So let's say for the forex exchange of euro, you can choose here either euro to USD, euro to Japanese yen, euro to Australian dollar, and many more. And we could also choose this most popular, in which it will show us in here the gold, copper, palladium, corn, and many more. And let's say we're trying to purchase a platinum in here by clicking this buy option. By clicking on it, it will show us on the right side panel how we can try to purchase or buy a platinum. And all we need to do is simply enter here the amount of unit or troy ounces of platinum. And as you can see, we have here default of 450, but we could also change this depending on our preferences. And as you can see, the maximum amount of unit is 450. And with that, let's say I'm going to purchase or buy a 400 units or troy ounces. And below it will show you the margin required to purchase that amount of unit, which is $4,002. Then below, you could also set to buy when price is by simply entering here your preferred price. And as you can see, the current price right now is 1,000.55, and if you click place limit order, we'll automatically place an order in here. However, you could also buy this kind of asset by setting the close order, such as close at loss or close at profit. But before that, all we need to do from here is to simply enter the size or troy ounces and also set the price in here. Let's say I'm going to set the prices into 998 instead of 1,000.55 that we did earlier. And now to determine your possible loss, you could also turn on this close at loss, in which you have here to choose either normal amount or trading. From here, you could also enter the amount that you can possibly think of that you can lose, or even choose the price level. So let's say if the price level becomes 989, this is the amount of loss that we will get, which is amounting to $3,600. Now moving on under this close at profit to determine the possible profit that we will get, we could also set up or enter here the price level, in which if that price level has been hit or reached, you'll be able to see here below your possible profit that you will get, which is $1,200. And now after setting up the close at profit and close at loss, you could also click the place limit order below here to proceed. And by clicking on it, you'll be able to see here all of our order that has been created. And if you also want to edit the kind of order, you can click this edit button to proceed. And also below here, you can also search for a specific kind of other instrument or asset that you could also use to trade. So basically, buying a specific kind of asset is also the same process of how we can sell on this platform. in which we can set up or enter the amount that we want to sell, determine the close at profit, and also the close at loss. Now moving on the left side panel, we could also navigate here this discover option. By clicking on it, it will show us in here some of the most traded asset or instrument with your crypto, forex, commodities, indices, bonds, and even the top traded shares. We could also see here the risers, the fallers, and even the most volatile instrument or asset in the market, in which all of this data can be helpful in order to have a better trading decisions. Now moving on, we could also navigate here these charts, in which from here, you'll be able to see here all of the charts that shows the movement of the market price of a specific kind of instruments or assets on this platform. However, currently it is not available in here. Now moving on the left side panel, we could also navigate here this portfolio by simply clicking on it. The purpose of it is to achieve an investor financial goals through diversification and strategic allocation of capital across different asset and investment. So you will basically see here all of your orders that we have been placed. While under reports from here, it will show you all of the list of your transactions, including the date, the time, type, info, status, and even the result, and also the balances after doing the specific kind of transaction. And it will also show you in here the list of your activity on using this platform. Now moving on, you could also navigate here this invite friends option, in which from here you could also invite your friends and start earning cash by referring a friend in here. All you need to do is simply click invite friends or even copy your referral link in here. And when your friend have deposit at least $200 and make at least 3 trades on capital.com platform, you will start earning a commission. Now moving on the left side panel, we could also navigate here the settings, in which on this pop-up window, we can navigate some other options including my accounts. And as you can see, we're currently under demo accounts, and here are all of us details. You could also navigate here your personal details to change your password, two-factor authentication, API integration, device activity, notifications, and even this platform settings right here. So you can customize all of these options and also edit all of those details under the settings. And also under my accounts, you could also click live accounts and also verified your account statuses in order to start using this platform with your own money and your account and not a demo account. And also on the top panel, you could navigate here this inbox section, and it will show in here the list of your notifications and analysis or updates about this platform. Now moving on to trade section from here. If you're looking for a specific kind of asset or instrument you want to trade in, you could also use the search button on the top left corner, in which by simply clicking on it, let's say I'm going to enter McDonald's, and upon clicking enter, it will show in here the result, and you can either buy or sell in here. By clicking buy option, it will show us in here on the right side panel the amount of share that we want to buy, and we could also set up to buy when price is, and even set up to close at profit or close at loss. And after that, just proceed by clicking place limit order below here to proceed, and you will now be able to see here that your order has now been created. And to see all of your order, you can click the portfolio option on the left side panel in here. By simply clicking here, it will show in here all of your traded or your order that has been created. But overall, that is just basically how you can use capital.com trading platform. Thank you.